So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Up on the top, we used your existing vent. It's got a couple pieces tied together up to a ceiling bucket, so that's all your piping and your little offset right there. Brand new draft diverter, brand new relief valve. That's a temperature and pressure relief valve. And a corrugated stainless steel connector. Those are Falcon stainless steel, full 3/4 inch inside diameter, down to some copper tubing. We repiped it. It was a little crooked, and so new nanny, new adapter, all tied in. Up on the right side, soldered on a couple adapters, cold, hot. Give you a ball valve, quarter turn ball valve on the right, brass nipple, Falcon stainless steel connector down to a brass extension. Same thing on the hot side, no valve required, down to a brass extension. So that's everything up top. And then the upper third of the water heater, you've got an adjustable strap. And then the lower third of the water heater, you have an adjustable strap. Let me get this cover on. We give you a brand new gas valve, brand new gas connector. And right here, you've got the temperature set to hot, which is approximately 120 degrees. A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. At B140, you got 3rd-degree burns in 3 seconds. So you can run it here. Right now, this at 120, that's fine as far as temperature for showering. You probably would only need all the way down to here between low and hot, and that's perfect. But one advantage to turning this up, B140 is going to give you what's going to feel like more water out of the tank. It's 50 gallons, but if you send hotter water to a fixture, obviously you need to mix it with more cold water than hot, so you will use less hot water, less hotter water, and so this will feel like a 65-gallon tank. So that's up to you. If you have infants, elderly, anybody coming by that could get scalded, just be mindful of this. You can see right here, scalding risk increases with hotter water. So that's why we leave it here, 120 for liability purposes, and document it. We did give you a new little piece of 3/4 plywood here on the stand. You had some leaking going on for a while, and the sheet, it's a wood stand, and then it's got a wood base, probably some 1/2 inch OSB, and then drywall. But it had a big ring in it from the old one. It was a little damaged, a little moldy, so we cleaned it up real good. Then we gave you the 3/4 plywood. We like to put our water heater on a nice new stand. So anyways, that's good. Give it about an hour and a half, and you will have hot water. Right here you've got your model number, serial number. You can go to bradfordwhite.com, hit the register button, and you're going to give them your serial number and then all your contact information, whatnot. Get your warranty going on this. Outside of that, this installation is done.